guys, today we're going to be talking about lining lips and lip gloss. This process is a little bit tricky if you are just starting out lining your lips, but basically you want to go with the natural curvature of your lips on the side. You see how I'm staying within my lines, but then on the very middle you can overline it just a little bit. You see what I'm doing right there, just overlining it in the middle. Now for the top, you want to go across the Cupid's bow. I like to make little arches. That helps me define the rest of my lip, and then same that we did on the bottom, we're going to do at the top. We're going to trace our natural lip all the way down. We're not going to overline the sides, but we are going to overline the middle just like we did the top. So staying with natural on the side, and then we'll come back to the top and perfect that Cupid's bow just a little bit with some overlining because we want it to be a little bit more plumpy right in the center. If you overline your entire lip from top to side, it's going to look very weird and disproportionate. I also fill in my lips just a little bit on the top and the sides just to preface it for the lip gloss and make the application a little bit easier. So for the lip gloss, I used this particular one because I love the consistency. It's super glossy, super sticky, so it stays a really long time and pretty pigmented. I haven't seen anyone talk about these. I just really wanted to share it because I love the color and I think it just looks really great on your lips and it makes your lips look even more plump. And that is it. It's super easy, but it looks so great on your lips. Just remember, overline the top and the bottom just a little bit in the middle and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Please head to my channel and subscribe so you can see my beauty series going on, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.